how are you getting on with your planning? Have you got a firm idea in mind now if you're going to do a poem or if you're going to do a short story? And if so, have you got your characters down with some idea of who they are and what they're going to be like in relation to each other? And if you needed a little bit more inspiration about spiders, then okay, move her back a little bit.
Oh, okay.
This is Charlotte. She's a
Mexican
red rump tarantula, one of Theo's tarantulas.
You just scared her.
Oh my god!
That's your fault.
Sorry.
You scared her. She scared you. It's fair.
Okay, so that's Charlotte. So this is how they move. She has a very furry, nice bum.
And it's making me itch.
I just don't need her too close to me. So now I want you to go away, turn those plans into a piece, either a poem or a short story, and then send them in if you would like a little bit of feedback on them to the email address where you have got the links to come to these videos from, and I can give you direct feedback. If you would be interested in taking part in a Zoom call altogether so we can discuss the pieces that we've written, then do let Sean know at Writing East Midlands, and then we can get organised and we can do a Zoom call, and then we can discuss the pieces that have come about all together that way. That would be very nice to see you all on camera. Okay then, take care and happy writing, and I will speak to you soon.